Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today also I am going to analyze gold forecast for your next week gold trading. So last week my gold trading make massive profit. Telegram link is below. You can join with it. So last week video I was mentioned this pattern. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder that I was mentioned that video. Right shoulder was created last week. It has created last week that I have mentioned last week video. You can go through there. This is the sell opportunity. So that is the accurate goal analysis. Telegram link is below. You can join with and that group and make good profit from the goal trading. So this is the left head and shoulder pattern. That's the reversal famous pattern. So price has to be create reversals to next week. This is the support line. The liquidity is there. So I am hoping this is the several times supported this area to 3000 2325 area. So I am hoping next day week this support line break out to the below side and wait for the retest for your sell trade next week. So wait for that support line breakout and retest. So I am hoping 2300 is the next week my first target, and then 2290 is the next level target. So sell opportunity gold in next week with the technically setup. That's the 2300 is the next week target. So wait for the breakout. So if you need to patience, if you are trading gold, so wait for breakout and retest area. That's the sell opportunity. This is the technically I am seeing this type of pattern next week. So you should be wait for the breakout this liquidity support line breakout. So that is the pattern, head and shoulder pattern, famous reversal pattern I am seeing in this technically setup. So this is the 4-hour gold chart. So I am seeing another pattern is in here, that is the bearish flag pattern. So bearish flag pattern is the bearish pattern. This is the bearish flag pattern. This is the flag has created last week and again continue to the downside. This is the bearish flag pattern. It is also bearish pattern, downtrend pattern. This is the like a flag. So flag was created last week and then again dropped to the below side. So that's the bearish flag pattern. So flag was created last week. So now the downtrend is will be continuing next week. I am hoping this is the flag. This is the flag. So that has created last week. So you can see the flag. That's the last week was created. This is the flag area. So now that I am seeing this type of technically pattern, bearish flag pattern, this is the bearish pattern. So let's go to the what is the economic data next week. We should touch with it. This is the labor data regarding US dollar is there next week Friday 7th June is the non-farm employment change is there. 175 is the previous. Fed American Central Bank forecast 185 to increase, and the unemployment rate 3.9%, and the average hourly earnings there. So labor data increase, non-farm employment change data increase, that will help to dollar demand, and the gold push to the downside, that will help. So I'm hoping positive labor data for next week regarding US dollar. So let's go to the Fed Watch Tool website. What is the interesting there was the regarding interest rate forecast. So I'm going to the Fed Watch Tool website. This is the September FOMC meeting forecast. You can see the 46% for forecast to post the rate, and the 46% also forecast to cut off the rate, and again 46% forecast to post the rate, and the interesting is they are 0.6% is price forecast the 25 bps another hike. So post forecast will be increase that dollar demand, and the rate cutoff forecast increase that the dollar sell off. So always I am touching with this Fed Watch Tool website what is the going on interest rates that will help to dollar demand or sell off. So that's the Fed Watch Tool website. Let's go to the technically what is the analyze for your next week goal trading. So this is the 4 hour chart I am in. So I am going to the 1 hour chart for your clearly picture. This is the 1 hour chart. So I am seeing famous pattern also there. This is the higher high was created, then this is the lower low was created last week. This is the Cosimoto pattern has there. So this is the your last Friday's the sell point. This is the QM sell area. Price drop from that area. Technically you can get the sell trade from this area. This is the sell point last Friday. 2360 is the your sell point the last Friday, and price dropped to the again to about 200 pips to the below side. So technically that's the QM Cosimoto sell pattern. So I am using below trend line to the get the trade opportunity next week. So you can see the below trend line. So below trend line, that's the I am hoping price will bounce from the below trend line area. So I am again go to the 4 hour chart. So this is the below trend line. You can see this trend line. This trend line I am hoping price will bounce from this trend line and retest above support area and dropped again. This is the below trend line. So this like that price action I am thinking, and drop to below trend line and retest about support area and dropped. This is the price action I am hoping next week. So next week your sell opportunity. So this is the below trend line and dropped and bounce from that retest area and drop to the below side. So wait for the retest. For get your trade. This is the support area. This support become resistance. Simple technically theory SNR. So this is your sell opportunity. Wait, drop to the below trend line and again retest to the above support area. Support become resistance area. This is the your sell opportunity I am thinking hoping next week. So this is the technically price action setup. So this is your sell target 2300. 2300 is the first level target, and then 2290 is the next target. So that's the next week. So risk management, money management is the key for gold trading if you are trading gold. So thank you very much.